Hey there, digital wanderers, let's dive into a Google privacy policy. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to keep up with all the fun ways we decipher the legal lingo. Let's go! Google's using location info to make your online experience smoother than a buttery meme. It's your digital GPS, helping you find the nearest coffee shop or warning you about traffic on your morning commute. Feeling nostalgic? Google's timeline is like your online scrapbook. Turn on location history and voila! Google maps out your adventures. Perfect for those, "oh, I've been there" moments. And for ads, they're like that friend who always knows where to get the best deals. Google uses your location to show you ads that are more relevant than your grandma's dating advice. Ads become personalized recommendations based on where you are. It's like having a friend who whispers, "Hey, there's a pizza place around the corner." You can control how Google uses your location for ads, however, in the areas where you've used Google Control in My Ad Center. Google also watches your back. It uses your location to detect if someone's trying to access your account from a new city or a suspicious location. For Android users, you're the captains of your location settings. You decide if apps can know where you are and how accurate they get to be. Google also uses your IP address to figure out where you are. It's a postal code for your internet connection. Oh, you're browsing from Paris? Here's the weather for you. And your home or work addresses can act as your digital comfort zones. Save your home or work addresses in Google and it's like telling your digital assistant, "Hey, let's make life easier." Now, Google does play the anonymity game. It uses anonymized or pseudonymized data for privacy. It's like Google's way of saying, "I know where you are, but I promise I won't tell." So, how long does Google remember? Google holds on to location info depending on your settings. You can set it to forget after 3, 18, or 36 months, like a diary with an expiration date. So, there you have it. Google loves to know where you are, but you do have control if Google turns into a stalker. Keep exploring, keep laughing, and most importantly, keep controlling your digital footprint. Stay savvy, stay smiling, and remember, in the world of privacy policies, you're never truly alone.